Hatchimal CollEGGtible Secret Scene Playset. Looks like a big egg, kind of like an Easter egg. And it opens up to be a playset. And then series 2 of a 5 set of Hatchimal CollEGGtibles.
Hi guys, look to I told you. Today we're opening Hatchimals. It kind of looks like an Easter egg. And look at them.
This is a Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Secret Scene.
You look for your eye in it, and then you look here, and you can see the animals. See?
So it's kind of like the old school Easter sugar eggs that you used to peek through the hole and be able to see a scene. So you peek through it and you can see one of 3 scenes inside the egg, which is pretty cool. And what else you got there?
And some Hatchimals that have 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs, and 1 special one. Let's get started. And you actually wet them to make them hatch, and you crack the pot, and then that's how you get the surprise out. Here's a little Pascal with pink on his butt.
She thinks a little chameleon in the pack looks like Pascal.
He does.
While she's opening that, I'm going to show you what Series 2 looks like. There's the Savannah, Crystal Canyon, the farm, and the garden. And in the previous sets, there's been the same. So they just changed the animals up a little bit. One egg escaped.
It's green. This one's blue. And this one is pink, like a big Hatchimal.
And there's the detailed checklist.
Yo, little eggs.
Oh man, maybe you'll find the golden Hatchimals.
Ooh, that one's so cool.
So that's the limited edition for this series, which is pretty cool.
Well, this one's orange and blue. Well, Series 3 didn't get the limited edition though. Look at these eggs. 1, 2, 3. And here, he's a flying guy. He's a flying.
They all have wings because they fly in the world they live in.
They all have wings, guys.
And yeah, he is a chameleon, so we were right.
It's a little pink. My hands are warm. I feel yours. Oh, your hands are warm on mine.
Well, this heart rubbed off completely. So I guess we can just go ahead and crack it.
Okay. Oh. Holy. Which one's into white? Which one into white? Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong.
They are supposed to turn pink. Oh, you did get a limited edition though, I think.
Feel it. He is a little boy, and he has blue wings, and he is so fuzzy. And this is a chameleon with big wings.
So his name, he is a magical budgie.
Huh? Here.
He is super cute.
Wait a
He is one of the limited editions.
He is.
So he's a limited
I'm gonna make his
edition.
nest. I'm gonna make his nest.
And if you've never seen the Hatchimal CollEGGtibles, you can make a nest out of the bottom of their shell.
Yeah, see? I'm making a nest for them. Look, I open these whites for Christmas.
These eggs are having a little bit of a hard time. They don't seem to be made out of the same material as the first series, or maybe they're a little softer. but it's turned pink. I can't get it to turn any more pink, so she can pop that one. Snake.
He's a green snake.
That's super cute.
He can fly, guys. He's a little snake. He's not fuzzy.
Not fuzzy. Snake.
He's a little cute. My probability.
The snake is cute. I do think this series is cuter than the first one, but he's super cute. I like his little face.
I like his little face too. Oh, this one's super cold. This one's cold. This one's for in the winter. So I should keep it warm. I'm gonna keep it warm.
The colors on the eggs indicate which islands they come from in the Hatchimal world. So this one's white.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, this one's from a complete white. Cute.
Looks like now they have a Hatchimals application, so you guys ought to check that out. Oh my goodness, it is a rare one. So she got another rare one. That's from Snowflake Shire, and that is the Snowflake Narwhal. He is super cute. So he is super cute.
This one's super cool. I think I can hear him laughing. See you laughing? Hello, hello. Yeah, you love him.
Now keep in mind, when we picked this pack, we solely picked it because we wanted the little Pascal looking chameleon. We didn't even look at what color the eggs were. So out of a random pickup, we got one rare and one limited edition. This is the kind of the perfect toy for our. She loves babies and blind bags.
I love him. He's always babies.
Oh my goodness! What is he?
He sounds like a dragon, but he's a pony.
He kind of looks like it says he's a posswift, so maybe he's like a possum mixed with something else. Yeah. He's kind of crazy looking.
He is kind of crazy.
He's sleeping. Alright.
Guys, I need to something. This is the snail. We got this one with the snail.
And this does.
And this one has the hedgehog. This one has iguana.
Layla Lavender, Sunshine Sparkle, and Bubblegum Bloom.
Can you get the ponies in here?
No, she's talking about these ponies right here. They are super cute, but unfortunately they don't come in this egg. So let me give you a close-up of the egg. It's really pretty and ornate.
Yeah, it's so cute.
It is so cute. And then if you look through this hole, you'll see one of the 3 scenes. So she's going to look in there and see what she sees.
Oh, look at that. Whoa, I see a lot. I see blue, orange, and some pink.
Alright, let me give
I see a lamb in here.
Is there a lamb in there?
Yeah, I saw him. He has a face. I'm trying to get it open.
It says to pull up and then flop the bottom down. So let's see.
Hey, I see pink and purple animal in here.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let's see if we can free our friends inside. Do you see him in there?
I see a skull in there. And a crocodile.
A what?
I see a lake. Hey, look at what.
Oh, man.
Whoa.
Okay, so.
That was surprising.
Alright, pull this down. Go that. So, we were doing it all wrong. It does it for you. So you just plop down the little leaf in the front and it lifts up.
Ooh, I see Sky here.
All right, now open the doors. Make sure you turn it around so they can see.
Get him out. Oh, yeah, he's
Turn
white.
it around.
It came with him. It just came with one guy.
So she got the squirrel. So let's show everybody. We'll turn it around like that. And let me show you up close what it looks like.
Oops, I dropped him.
I'll grab it. So inside the playset there's a little spinny thing, little table, and it looks like another swing. And if we remove this piece of paper, a slide.
Can I have this?
So they can ride and go on little adventures. So you got Sunshine Sparkle.
Sunshine Sparkle. We'll go up here. Let's go. Go up here. Let's check the site. He's gonna go on the slide. Whee! I had so much fun! Now you can go in here. Yes, it's swings here.
When I first saw this, it brought back memories of Polly Pocket for you parents that know what Polly Pocket playsets were.
It's all the messes. We don't eat them. Look at them. They come with sand.
So let me show you. She put some of them in here. So let me show you what she did. She just put them up here in the flowers so they can kind of sit, and little Sunshine Sparkles there and the little possum guys there.
Yeah, who can check out the side right there?
But it's kind of nice that it's compact. So now, real quick, before she starts playing with it again, let's see if it's able to store them. So let's put them in their little hole, and then we'll close it and open it back up. Alright, so she goes like this, and then like that, and push down the flower.
No, put him down.
Ah!
Put him in there.
Stop! Okay, you threw him in. Alright, push down. Okay, so yeah. So your kids could essentially take at least 6 of them with them.
Watch, guys. That was a surprise.
And take them with them on the go, which is kind of cool. And it's really easy. You could probably just throw it in a bag.
Oh! And then you can play with them. I want to show them how I play with it.
Okay.
Whee! Whee!
So as you can tell, she's pretty excited.
Yeah, it's so cute. I'm going on the slide. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah! This is a umbrella. Go up here west. Oh, he's gonna go up there west. And he's gonna check the site. He's gonna check his site. Okay. Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Tell me which part you like, the popping noise or the looking at.